Alright, now one of the community members, Shahryar Ashfaq, has shared a hidden option on Samsung Galaxy phone. He emailed it to me saying that this is what he has found. So I thought, why not make a quick video and share this particular hidden option with you guys. And you guys let me know whether it is working on your phone, and also let me know whether this particular option is of any use to you. Let's dive in and take a look at this. Now this hidden option is on Samsung's contact application, not the phone app, it's the contact application on which you will find this hidden option. Let me open contacts. Now here I'll tap on the hamburger menu on the top left hand side corner. Let's tap on settings. I'll go to about contacts. Now here on contacts, if you keep tapping on this multiple times, you will unveil a new option called third-party accounts visibility. Now here, as you can see, we have got WhatsApp, we have got Google Meet and Messenger. We have toggles to turn them on or off. What I assumed is when we enable these toggles, we will be able to see the contacts created particularly on WhatsApp application or Google Meet. However, I am not able to see any difference even after enabling these toggles. But this was already there when we enable an option on the settings. Let me just open settings now. Here we have got show third-party options. This is enabled by default and we will be able to see WhatsApp and Google Meet options if they are available for a particular contact. That toggle is anyways there in the settings, but when we keep tapping on this contacts option, we get all these three hidden toggles right over here. But frankly, I did not see any use of these particular options, but these are something which is hidden explored by one of the subscribers. So I thought, why not share it with you guys and ask you guys if you are able to enable this, and let me know if you are able to see any changes or any differences once you enable or disable these toggles under third-party accounts visibility. Drop a comment, and while you do that, be sure you subscribe to the channel to know your phone better. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.